Want to turn your passion for drawing into a full-time career? Discover our courses at Brushcamp where you become a master in the realm of digital painting. Brushcamp offers tons of similar courses in illustration, 2D, 3D design. Level up your creativity with free knowledge and courses. Visit brushcamp.com today and explore endless possibilities.
Hello everyone and welcome to Lesson 7. In this lesson, we will learn about the eyedropper tool. That tool is here. Its shortcut is the letter. First of all, this is a tool used to absorb color. When you have a blue square, you choose the eyedropper tool, it will absorb the color properties of other objects. For example, now I have a blue square. I will absorb pink and blue. As for this picture, it doesn't have a fill, only a blue stroke. It will absorb its color attribute. And this image has a gray fill and a black stroke. Then this object will absorb the properties of this object, like this. Similarly, when you use this eyedropper tool, you press the Alt key. You can see that the icon of this eyedropper tool is reversed. That means it will use its own properties on other objects. It uses its own properties to pour over other properties. Even here, as you can see, those are two ways that you can use this eyedropper tool. Is another way to use the eyedropper tool. If you don't know, it will be difficult to use Adobe Illustrator later. We have a pink circle. And it only has fill and no stroke. And now if we want this green stroke, pour over this image. You can't use the eyedropper tool to absorb. It will release this property and it can't fill. And the stroke is blue. One is that you have to fill it with pink. You have to go here to pick pink and add it. Or you have to create an intermediate object. You have to create an intermediate object. It has this green border. And in its pink fill, you can absorb this object. That would take a lot of time. Now there's a faster way to do it. When you have a pink circle, you want to get its green stroke. Then you have to stroke it up. You can click here or you can press the X key for quick. Have to put the object you need to change color on top. Select the eyedropper tool. You hold down the Shift key. You take its stroke. It already has a green stroke, but it's a bit small. We increased it a bit. You already have a circle with a pink fill and a green stroke. I want to change its fill to blue like that. You just need to press the X key to change the fill to be on top. Then you press I and select the eyedropper tool. Hold Shift and select it. Or we want to change to gray. Press Shift and select it. Or now I want to change the stroke to pink. You press X, eyedropper tool and click Shift. Or choose black. Or we want it to be green. Using the Shift key combination in the eyedropper tool will help you save time while working. This is all I want to say in this lesson. Thank you and goodbye everyone.
Please like and subscribe to our channel.